These days, concepts like the right way to make money and the right investment path are crucial. One can learn good saving practices by reading several essential books on personal finance. It will boost your financial literacy and control over your spending by taking the time to read and receive training. And today we will take you through such a book that is going to help you greatly in your investment. So let's learn from the all-time bestseller, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So once upon a time, in the vibrant realm of Robert Kiyosaki's childhood, there existed a remarkable duo of contrasting individuals. One was the father of his best friend, a man renowned throughout their town as the illustrious Rich Dad. The other was none other than his very own father, who was known far and wide as the humble Poor Dad. Oh, how young Robert observed with wide-eyed curiosity as Poor Dad tirelessly toiled day in and day out, his every fibre dedicated to work. Despite his relentless efforts, he found himself trapped in a perpetual struggle. Now let's shift our gaze to the enigmatic figure known as Rich Dad. He too knew the value of hard work, yet he seemed to dance effortlessly along the strings of time. With each passing day, his wealth grew exponentially, like an enchanting melody played upon a golden harp. His work-life balance was a sight to behold, a majestic symphony where leisure and pursuit coexisted harmoniously. It defied all logic that his opulence increased while his hours of toil decreased. Are you one of those go-getters who thrive on the relentless pursuit of hard work? Well, my friend, it's time to embark on a fascinating journey where we unravel the secret that lies in working less to make more money. In the realm of time's paradox, our current era presents a peculiar predicament. Alas, fortune and misfortune intertwine as the hands of the clock move sluggishly, granting us an abundance of once inconceivable hours. According to the Sashius Pew Research Center, an astonishing 35% of our fellow Americans confess that the importance of socializing has diminished amidst the prevailing tempest of COVID-19. With the decline of social engagement, our evenings and weekends have become vast landscapes of uncharted freedom. However, like a bitter sprinkle of salt on an open wound, the weight of stress looms ominously overhead. A lamentable plight befalls those valiant parents who find themselves bereft of social life, bearing the immense responsibility of caring for their cherished progeny. The economic climate, akin to an elusive spectre, dances with an air of unpredictability, unveiling the capricious nature of employment in the face of a relentless pandemic. Curiously enough, a peculiar phenomenon arises amidst the chaos. Behold, dear interlocutor, the gallant souls who were once heralded as highly capable employees now find themselves submerged in a sea of never-ending video conference calls. The consequence, the weariness of the highest order, surpasses the exhaustion one endures during customary toils. Such weariness has earned its own unique moniker, Zoom fatigue, a testament to the wearisome toll inflicted by the virtual realm. Amidst the ever-changing tides of unemployment, people find themselves entangled in a captivating dance of destiny. Some diligently embark on a quest for meaningful employment, tirelessly navigating the labyrinth of the job market. Meanwhile, others seek solace in the enchanting realms of Netflix and the exhilarating domains of video games, momentarily escaping the tempestuous realities of their current predicament. Yet amidst this delicate balance, only a precious few seize the golden opportunity to nurture their minds and spirits, fostering personal growth and resilience. Alas, it is the extraordinary few who shall emerge from the crucible of crisis unscathed. Others may find themselves consigned to a fate of financial scarcity or a mere shadow of their previous prosperity. So, dear dreamer, dare to break free from the chains of limited thinking, embrace the wisdom of the rich, and let time become your ally rather than your adversary. Take a leap into the world of infinite possibilities where your endeavours have no ceiling and your potential knows no bounds. The choice is yours. Will you continue on the hamster wheel, or will you paint your masterpiece upon the tapestry of time? Well, Robert isn't your average wealthy individual. He has cracked the code to success. Instead of fixating on making more money, he sets his sight on acquiring valuable assets each year. By focusing on the quality of these assets, he understands that money will naturally flow in. It's like a magic trick where he works diligently, but the real reward is the passive income that keeps pouring in long after his initial efforts. Robert's journey to riches wasn't always smooth sailing. He wasn't born into wealth, but he possessed something far more valuable, the drive to enhance his financial knowledge. Even when he had next to nothing, he invested his time in educating himself about finance, nurturing his financial IQ like a hidden treasure. He didn't waste his energy on just any job. He wisely invested in securing his financial future. And how? Robert reaps the rewards, raking in millions of dollars each year without having to lift a finger. He works for him, turning the tables on the traditional notion of work. Discover the secret weapon, transform your life and conquer your financial struggles. A Rich Dad Coach. Even the legendary Robert, the maestro of wealth creation, recognizes the immeasurable value of coaching, engaging experts in every aspect of his life, body, mind, soul, and everything in between. And that's all for now, guys. Hit the like button to show your support for our work. Keep in mind to press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel to never miss updates from us. We'll be right back in the next video. Thanks for watching.